So my infomercial, which I created, is I'm a trusted advisor to my clients in human capital. And I exercise that trusted advice role in 3 capacities: recruiting, consulting, and coaching. And the first thing I say is, do you need any one of those 3 skills? They say yes, great, we proceed. If they say no, then there's nothing further to talk about. Secondly, I evaluate them. Are they the kinds of people that I work best with? If they're not, then I said, I'm not for you, you're not for me, and we kind of move on. Conflict resolution, I figure that out pretty quickly. And my acid test on the perfect day on who I deal with, I often say is, when the phone rings with your name on it, and I'm on another phone call, do I go, hang on a second, and I pick up your phone and I say, do you need me right now, or can I call you back? Hang on, I finished, or hang on, I call him back, or do I see your name come across the board? I let it go to voicemail. If I let it go to voicemail, you're not the right client for me.